Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on Euro AUD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that Euro AUD currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that Euro AUD is a long term bullish market with this monthly impulse to the upside on Euro AUD. We have seen significant pullback towards the downside, tested this important previous resistance, which is turning support here. And from that zone, we saw the previous months Euro AUD has formed this long week candle on the monthly time frame. Now this monthly long week candle is quite significant, as we have seen that there is a significant buying happen in the direction of the major trend. Now as a result, this month, once the market opened after pullback towards the downside, tested this support and then immediately rejected towards the upside, giving a very high probability for Euro AUD to continue to rise to create a new higher high. Now if we look at weekly time frame to see overall picture in the market, from the weekly we can see that Euro AUD has come to this liquidity zone. As you can, this is the weekly important level of support and form a doji, and after doji formation Euro AUD has immediately again has gone up, broken to the upside. Previous week we saw a doji that has a liquidity from the previous weekly support, also a momentum gain for further move to the upside on Euro AUD. Now, with that movement, what we can expect now, Euro AUD to continue to rise to the upside, as we see that higher time frame is bullish on Euro AUD. Now, if we look at the daily, what we see that from the daily perspective, there is a very strong impulse on the daily, quite a few days of movement, and in that strong movement on the daily we saw there is a liquidity gap here with this daily candle, and later on the pullback we saw the market has triggered that liquidity zone, giving another probability for Euro AUD for further move. And so far today we have seen that again Euro AUD crossed this liquidity zone again, and that's the sign that Euro AUD is preparing for a bounce to the upside, a breakout of this daily resistance level. Now this is the daily candle. So far had a very strong rejection. What I think that later today we could see that Euro AUD coming down for a deeper pullback, and then we can expect Euro AUD to continue to rise in that direction. So with that respect, let's look at further lower time frame to see how Euro AUD is preparing. Now as you can see, this is the 4-hour doji that has triggered this liquidity, and as a result we saw strong movement to the upside, crossing this 10 and 20 EMA. What I think that Euro AUD now may continue to rise from this zone. After little pullback, we can expect a bullish move to the upside on Euro AUD. If we look at further lower time frame from the 1 hour perspective, we see that there is an inverted head and shoulder breakout. We can expect now in this lower time frame a retest of this important previous support zone term resistance. Now if we draw this level, we see that Euro AUD in the past the same level acted here as a resistance, has a strong drop from that level and has come back to that same level, acted here as support, and multiple times the price breaking this and retesting. What you can expect now on Euro AUD on the lower time frame to come back down here to test this level, and once we'll see the price is rejecting from that zone on Euro AUD, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below. Let me know which way you are trading Euro AUD. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.